So hi friends, welcome back to the another new video, and I hope that you all are well and fine. So let's begin the today's video. And before starting the video, you should know that if you have didn't subscribe to the channel yet, then make sure that you have subscribed to the channel, and if you didn't till now, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video as much as you can. So the topic for the today's video is the why does the iron rust and how to prevent the rustings of the iron. So let's begin the today's video without wasting the time so much. So let's start. So first reason is that whenever the iron is wet, means if it is placed in water or is wet, or it contains the drops of water, or generally we sometimes see the drops of water on the iron. So what's the reason behind it? It generally rusts on the place where it has been sorry, but the water has been placed. So why does the rusting happen? So the main reason behind it is that the water is the formula of the water is H2O, and generally in the environment oxygen is the main gas, but there are also some other gases like hydrogens, nitrogen and carbon dioxide, monoxide. So in air, whenever it is placed in air, it reacts with all the other gases which are generally present in air, and or if iron is not placed in air, and if it is continuously placed on water or in any tank completely filled with water, then also it rusts. So it is because the presence of oxygen in the air or in the water in the form of liquid, so both reacts and creates the rust on iron. So now let's move further. So how can you prevent rusting? So there are generally many ways, but firstly I will recommend that to galvanize it with the zinc plate, or make any cover or cover it with any metal such as silver, gold. It's generally expensive, but you may also cover or galvanize it with the zinc as well as the aluminium, copper or any other metals which cannot rust in the air. As I had given the examples of that such metals, that is the aluminium and stainless steel you can also use, but if generally the iron rusts is the cast iron or the wrought iron. The iron made up of steel or high quality iron doesn't rust, so you can also galvanize it to prevent rusting, as well as if somewhere you can see the rusting and if you want to remove it, or then you can also put or fill the color in particular place where the rusting occurred. Or the another way is that we all have listened the name of the cast paper. That is a piece of paper or thin sheet, not paper, but it's the thick A4 size paper. One side it is black. From if you rub it on the place where iron has been rusted, it generally be removed. Generally, the rusting has been removed from the place. So it is only the main. As well as it can be found at any place or at any shop where the iron is generally where you go to bought or you go to buy the iron. So this much only for the today's video. I hope that you like the video, and I hope that you all have subscribed to the channel and shared the video. So let's over the video and see you soon in the next video.